All right, here's another similar question to the last one we did. So you ask it to find a vertex. And here what I was trying to do was just to show how you could find the vertex using a different method. That's all I was doing. So initially I would have done this. It was 2x squared plus, 4x minus 48. And then what I did is I factored 2 out of that. So I came up with 2 and then x squared plus 2x minus 48. And then to get this 1, what you do is you take this term there, that's the b term. So you take 2 and you divide it by 2 and then square that. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 1 squared is 1. So that's why I put a 1 here. And then what you do on the outside is you take and you multiply the 2 by the 1. So really what happened there is you're multiplying things by 2, or you're adding 2 to things. So outside here what you do is subtract 2. So to finish you get x squared. If you factor this, no, it's not x squared. If you factor it, it'd be x plus 1 and x plus 1. That's what you're doing this for, is to get a perfect square. Minus, that'll be 50. So you'd have 2 and then x plus 1 squared minus 50. So then now you're in the vertex form. So this gives you the x coordinate of the vertex. Always remember to change the sign of it. And then this gives you the y coordinate of the vertex. And you just leave the sign alone. So this is called the completing the square method. But you can always take that and use the other method that we had. So our function is 2x squared plus 4x minus 48. And to get the vertex, we better get the same answer. So to get the x coordinate, we go minus b over 2a. So it's minus something over 2 times something. So b is 4 and a is a 2. So negative 4 divided by 4 is going to be a negative 1. Aha, we're on the right track. Now to get the y coordinate, you figure out what the value of the function is when you plug a negative 1 in. So the function over here, so it's 2 times something squared plus 4 times something minus 48. Okay, our something is a negative 1. Okay, so negative 1 squared is a positive 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4 minus 48. 2 take away 4 is negative 2 minus 48, sure enough, negative 50. So the vertex would be negative 1 and a negative 50. And we got that same answer doing it that way. So it's just a different way of determining the vertex of a parabola. I don't mind doing it this way, especially if this number here is, oh no, not that one, this one here. If that's an even number, then this way it doesn't hurt too much. But if that number is anything other than an even number, and if there's something out front here, there's lots of little places to go wrong. So if you have something then I just revert back to using that vertex formula. Okay, hopefully that helps.